she's back. Abby, I love you. You're so hot and sexy and interesting. Woo!
Hello, and welcome back to my very glamorous life. It is currently 11 a.m. What have I done all day today? Well, it's Monday. I woke up at 7:30. Absolutely unheard of. You're probably like, why did you do that? Well, you see, my life has been very boring recently. And when my life is boring, I like to inflict pain on myself. So I woke up at 7:30, went to the gym at 8, worked out for an hour, cleaned my kitchen for an hour, and then sat on my phone for an hour. And that leaves us at 11 a.m. right now. I have a few orders of business today. First thing, I need to go to the post office. I did sell some Depop clothes. We're getting rid of everything, so I need to drop those off. I also need to go buy something, which is like a weird errand to have, but at work I was gonna get this sweatshirt and I didn't, and I'm still thinking about it, so I'm gonna go buy it.
Is it shallow to put buying something on your to-do list? I think I know the answer to that question. At least I'm self-aware.
Third order of business, I need to find a coffee shop to do some work at because, like I said, it's Monday. I'm gonna get ahead of everything. I usually do, I'm pretty good about it. But as of recently meaning last week, I did everything on Sunday and it's just really not a good time at all. So I'm gonna go find a coffee shop and get some work done. And it should be fun. I also this morning was listening to, there's a TikToker by the name of Glam Demon 2004. She's very funny. And I was listening to her podcast and her podcast is funny. So I got some laughs in this morning. So overall, we're in a good mood. I had some chicken noodle soup too. That's pretty much it. It's time to start the day and it's time to see where the day takes us. I hope it takes us to a good place. But if not, then I'll be upset. No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be a good day.
The post office was closed because apparently they're eating lunch right now. Rude. How dare you eat lunch? I got the sweater that I wanted. So here we go. Oh my god, you literally can't even see it. Now, you can see a little better now. Yeah, this is the sweater I got. Cute, right? Great. Okay, I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and get some coffee and do some work. Oh god, it's bright. Lighting's not ideal. Change into my hoodie, as you can see in those clips. It's now 2 p.m. and I'm done with all of my psychology homework for the week. Usually it took like no time at all. Literally only took me 2 hours to do everything, like read and do the quiz and all that. Usually the homework he gives us takes like 4 hours, but it was easier this week, so that's a good thing. Waking up early is crazy because you have so much time. Like, you realize how much time you truly have. Yeah, I need to go to the post office though because it was closed when I went. So that is our task at hand right now. I have so much free time. I don't even know what to do with myself. Like, what does one do, you know? Maybe I should start waking up early more. Maybe that's the key to all my problems. Probably not, but let's put a shot. Oh, also it's cold today. That's another update I wanted to give you. Well, not really cold. It's like 60. That's Georgia's version of cold weather, but it's like not really that cold, you know? It's not like 30. Okay, but I'll see you at the post office. I'm gonna manifest there being no line. Hello! I feel like all I do is vlog in my car. I think that's because I have been in a obsessive Emma Chamberlain phase. Oh my god, there's a post on my parking deck. As I was saying, I think everybody goes through these phases. I know for a fact I'm not alone on this, but I'm going through an obsessive Emma Chamberlain phase where I watch every single one of her videos from fall of 2018, like when she would like vlog in her car and she lived in San Francisco. So it makes me want to vlog in my car because her videos are wildly entertaining. I didn't even tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to pick up a salad because I ordered a salad. The thing about salads is that they always, 100% of the time, studies show that they taste better when somebody else makes them for you. The source of that statistic is me. So yeah, I ordered a salad and I'm gonna go pick it up. That's basically it. My life is so riveting. Of business today. I thought I'd write them down with you. I wrote down what I need to do yesterday and I actually did all of it but one. Pretty proud. Upload the video, my last video. I need to go to the grocery store. I do have some micro homework, so maybe I'll read the chapter today. I'm also hanging with my friend. We're taking pictures, so I'll write that down on here too. There's our order of business for today. And the first order of business on that list is upload a video. So, and also break camera is on that list. The video is uploaded. I scheduled it. I still need to go to the grocery though. That is our next task at hand. If I hear myself say task at hand one more time, I'm going to have to commit homicide. Why do I keep saying that? Task at hand. Like there wasn't another word I could have used. Take a shot every time you say that. You will die. I love being dramatic. I am very hungry and have no food, so I'm eating chicken nuggets for breakfast. I tried making this oatmeal, so maybe I'll eat this, but I am a self-proclaimed oatmeal hater. And it's funny too, because on TikTok with Gen Zs, like there's been this resurgence of oatmeal. Like everybody all of a sudden loves oatmeal. I just don't get it. It's gross and mushy and it tastes like nothing. Before I put my groceries away, which I'm back now, went to the grocery, also went to Target, but I'll show you what I got at Target in a minute. But I love when people lay out all their groceries and show what they got. So I'm gonna do the same. Oh, let's go. This is all that I got. I got turkey because I'm gonna make turkey tacos. I have taco shells over there. I got these bagels. These Canadian Bakehouse bagels are really good. So I think what I'm gonna do is make these with like avocado and egg. I got these chicken tendies, gluten-free. There's my oatmeal I didn't eat. Gluten-free. I like Applegate and I wanted to try these. Sausage, more meat. A little fun creamer. I wanted to try this mint cocoa creamer. I have a Nut Pod one that's Christmas flavored, but it doesn't really taste like anything, so I wanted to try Khalifa Farms. Tomatoes for my tacos. I'm gonna do smoothies this week, so I got fruit, spinach. I wanted to try this cereal because I really like the chocolate flavor and I saw they had chocolate peanut butter. So fingers crossed this tastes good. It's gluten and grain free. It does have milk in it, but I'm not lactose intolerant, I don't think. Gluten-free pasta. I got Perfect Bars. I really like Perfect Bars. I got avocado, lemon, eggs, some bib lettuce for my tacos. And then at Target, I got protein powder because at Sprouts, protein powder was like way overpriced and I found it at Target for only $17. So I'm gonna make some protein smoothies this week. And then I also got almond milk. I've never tried the Simply Almond before. I usually do Khalifa Farms. If you know which one I'm talking about, I think Khalifa Farms is the best almond milk, but they had it at Target, so I was like, I'm gonna put this all away and then I'm gonna start getting ready because my friend and I are taking photos today, so should be fun. Taking photos. I'm making a vlog. Copyright check. Billie Eilish, don't take all my money.
What do we think of this purple Pringles can?
Oh, that's cute.
With the purple eyeshadow?
Yes. What flavor is that? Parmesan
And roasted garlic.
and roasted garlic. Get it at your local Target.
Actually, I got it at a gas station. It's new.
Oh, okay. Get it at your local gas station. Yesterday, taking pictures was fun. We got a ton of amazing photos. The lighting was incredible. That's the beauty of it being nice weather, is that the lighting is usually really good. Anyways, yeah, we took photos and then we got some matcha and then I came home and I edited the video you're watching right now. But obviously today's a new day. I did not go to the gym this morning. I woke up at 7:30, like ready to go. I was just really tired and I honestly didn't feel like it. And sometimes when you don't feel like working out, don't work out. It's nice to take it easy once in a while. Very slow morning. That's pretty much all I did, you know, made breakfast, all that stuff. I made a new YouTube banner this morning, which is like the thing that goes above my channel. And it's really cute. So check it out, click on my channel, and you'll see the new banner I just made. I don't even know what time it is. I'm gonna guess like 11. Yeah, it's 11 exactly. Well, 11:02. I am going to go to a coffee shop to get some work done. Also, who likes my sweatshirt? The thing about buying new clothes for me is that I will just wear them to no end until eventually I'm like, maybe I should wash this. So I'd say that's definitely one of my positive traits. I am a fashion icon in the fact that I literally only wear crew necks and jeans in the winter. But like, whatever, who cares? You know what I mean? Anyways, maybe I'll get some clips of me studying at the coffee shop if my friend ends up coming. But if she doesn't end up coming, thank you so much for tuning in to this vlog. It's been really fun to just, you know, vlog so casually, especially now because I care a lot less about how perfect my videos have to be. In the past, I would only post like highly edited fashion content that would take me ages to edit. But like, you know, it's not that deep anymore. And also I just love watching vlogs. It's literally my favorite video to watch. Thank you for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay happy, stay healthy. And look in the mirror and tell yourself that you love yourself. 'Cause you're awesome. I sound like my mom right now. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. I could give up